Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to blur your background in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our Microsoft Teams, of course. So after that, just click on open right here. And then in this part, just look for the meet icon. So start a meeting right here. And then in this part, you should be redirected into the meeting itself. So all you have to do is to close this. Now, to add a blur background on your video, so the first way to do it, if you have this feature, is to go into this part and then click this icon right here. And then you will see this Studio Effects. So what we're going to do is to just click this. And then in this part, you have a background effect. So we're going to click on this and we have two options, which is the standard and then of course the portrait. So just choose the one that you prefer right there. And then after that, that should fix your problem. However, if you don't have this feature, well, what you can do here is to just go into the camera section and then click on the drop down button. After that, you will also see this standard blur. So all you have to do is to click on it. And then if you click the drop down button, you also have a portrait feature. So just choose the one that you prefer right there. And then if you look right here on the screen or the camera, the output here is blurred. So that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.